Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to discuss about what are the top things that you should keep in mind before doing marketing automation for a B2B business. I hope you get a lot of information by the end of this video. So let's start. First of all, you have to define your goal, exactly why you are doing, marketing automation. Is it for lead nurturing? Is it for lead generation? Is it going to be for revenue generation? What exactly is the primary goal? These are some of the three goals which I just talked about. Number two, and very important, select the marketing automation tool. Now, when you are choosing the marketing automation tool, like I always say, always be careful about the B2B and B2C marketing automation tools. There are certain differences in the features which are available for a B2B marketing automation tool, and there are certain features which are available only for B2C marketing automation tool. Be careful about that. Number three, segment your audience. So whatever list that you have, be prepared to create a segment. You might be starting completely with a cold list. So it's very important for you to have the list in particular segment so that you can keep moving them from cold, warm to hot segments based on your criteria which you have set up. It could be number of clicks, number of opens, number of downloads which have happened. These are actually the behavior which the list shows, and based on your business model and your strategy, you can keep moving them from cold to warm to hot, and keep contacting them accordingly. Number four, when all the above are set, start with lead magnets. You need to create lead magnets because this is very important for a B2B business. Lead magnets help to get people interested in you. This is where you can find out who all are really needing the solution which you are providing. Once you create the lead magnets and downloads start happening, you can then move to the next step, which is lead scoring. You need to score your leads accordingly. You need to think about the different kind of scores, what really works for you. And if you're just starting and you do not know what score you should have, then you should just keep doing the exercise, sending emails, and letting people download the lead magnets, and wait for the time when your sales team says that okay, this is what is working, and these are the kind of people who are really good for the business. So then you can start scoring those leads accordingly. Next is set lead capture form, because this is where the lead magnets are going to be downloaded from, or people would like to contact you from these particular areas. Next step is automating your email campaigns. Now there are two kinds of emails that you can send. One should be around the bulk email, which you can send to your entire list, the cold list. And the second should be about automated campaigns, the campaigns which are sending further emails based on how the list has behaved. Maybe they have opened, they have clicked on the links, they have come to the website, or they have not opened at all. So the campaign automation or the email automation is a very important step that you have to take care of. One thing that I would like to assume here is that you have your marketing automation tool connected to the CRM. A CRM is important, that you might already be knowing, but there are a lot of companies who simply start using the marketing automation tool and they do not connect it with any kind of a CRM. Yes, there are companies which are not even using CRM. They are using Excel sheets till now, but they know the importance of marketing automation. As a matter of fact, I have seen marketing automation has pushed a lot of sale for CRM as well, because companies have come to realize that how important the CRM is in context of marketing and not just sales. Next thing is personalization. Personalization helps a lot, but this is a bit advanced. It will come a bit later. However, personalization is not limited to just first name, last name, company name, or the location name and things like that. When I say personalization, it is a very advanced thing where you are sending your prospects communication or the emails or any kind of message based on their behavior which you have seen. The marketing automation tool, if it is capable of doing this kind of thing, then there is nothing like it. Right, so again, going back to step 2, remember what kind of features that you should have in your marketing automation tool. But yes, personalization is very important. But initially, just stick to first name, last name kind of personalization. Later on, you can move to the other steps as well. One more step which all companies follow is A/B testing. A/B testing, again, it comes a bit later, but once you have started sending communication, sending emails, or bringing the prospects to your landing pages, then you should go ahead with A/B testing as well. And the A/B testing will let you know what pages work, what kind of email works, what kind of content works for the business. But this, again, I would say comes a bit later, not at the initial stage. One very important step again here is the sales and marketing team alignment. This again is a part of strategy, but sales and marketing team alignment is very important, because if marketing keeps sending emails, keeps sending communication, makes all the effort to bring people to the website and get lead magnets downloaded, but if the leads go to sales and if the sales team is not comfortable, they are saying that okay, it's not working out and these are not qualified enough, then the marketing team should sit with the sales team and try to understand what does a qualified lead mean, what exactly, how exactly it's important, and how can the marketing team really qualify the lead as much as possible at the marketing step before the lead moves to the the sales team. And last step is iterate and improve. And this is where A/B testing comes. This is where personalization comes. You have to keep doing experiments. You have to keep seeing which segments are doing better. You have to keep creating, further segments, sub-segments based on the behavior, based on the kind of pages visited, based on location, or doing A/B testing on landing pages or the kind of emails which are being sent or the call to actions. These are very, very important steps. But yes, iterate and improve is the last step, and which will keep running, which keeps running the marketing automation for any kind of business, and always keeps giving a lot of always keeps giving a lot of value to the business. So keep in mind all these steps that I just discussed. These are really going to help you in setting up marketing automation for a B2B business. Thank you.